Hello everyone and welcome to another Go High Level tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to set up Meta Ads event tracking in Go High Level funnels. We are going to go step by step. We're going to go straight to the point, but before we get started, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's go. First of all, we need to install the Meta Pixel in our Go High Level funnel. So the first step that we need to take is we need to go to our Facebook Business Manager or Meta Business Suite, same thing. We need to click on the main menu and we need to select Events Manager. If you don't see your Events Manager, you need to go under Advertise and you're going to find it here. You're going to open your Events Manager. Here, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to make sure we are under the right account from the drop-down menu on the right-hand side. And here we're going to go to data. If this is a completely new pixel, then you're going to select your pixel, your dataset name here. You're going to scroll down and under gather website events from browser activity, you're going to say setup Meta Pixel, install the code manually, and here you're going to copy the code. If this is a pixel that has some activity like this one, you're going to select it. You're going to scroll down. You're going to say add events. And here you're going to say setup new integration, Meta Pixel, setup, manually add code to your website. Then we click here, get started. And then we're going to copy the code. So job number one, we copy the Meta Pixel tracking code from our Facebook Business Manager, from our Meta Business Suite. We go to Events Manager, we copy the code. We go back to Go High Level under Sites and Funnels. And then we come here. We click our funnel, we go to settings, and under settings, under body tracking code, we're going to come here and we're going to paste the Meta Pixel code. And don't forget to hit save. So once we do this, the Meta Pixel is going to be automatically in all the steps of our funnel. So here, even if I go to step number 2 or step number 3, and we go to settings, you will see that the Meta Pixel code is here. This is job number one. We cannot set up Meta Ads events unless the Meta Pixel is present in our funnel. So we completed step number 1. Step number 2 now, we need to set up event tracking. What I want you to do is to navigate to basically this link. I have it in the video description, or you can Google Meta Pixel standard events and you're going to find this page. Again, you can click the link in the video description. And here we need to choose what kind of event we want to create. So let's say, as an example, that we want to create an event in the last page here that I misspelled, that is called thank you. And everyone who basically reaches this page, we want to set up an event that is called, maybe let's say, complete registration, this one. So this is the event. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this tracking code. And I want you to go maybe to an AI tool, whichever AI tool. You're going to paste this in, and you're going to ask the system to basically add opening and closing script tag to the above, right? So the system now is going to give you this version of the code. So it has the opening script tag and the closing script tag. You can also add them manually, or you can do it with an AI if you are lazy like me. So you're going to copy this code. So this is the event with the script tags, the opening and the closing. And now we're going to go to Go High Level. We're going to select the step that we want to track. So let's say the thank you page in this case. We're going to click Edit. And once we click Edit, we are going to click on this symbol here that is called tracking code on the top left-hand side. We're going to go to the footer tracking, and we are going to paste this script here. And we're going to save. That's it. So what we did basically here is we took the standard event basically here that is called complete registration. We added the script tags, opening and closing. So we copied the code. We went to our Go High Level funnel, the last step, the step that we want to track. When somebody lands here, it means that they complete the registration. Then we went to the tracking code. Under footer tracking, we pasted the code and we save. And that's it. That's how you can set up Meta Ads events in Go High Level funnels. Once again, a recap. Job number one, you need to install the Meta Pixel in your funnel. So job number one, you go to Events Manager, you copy the Meta Pixel tracking code, you go back to Go High Level, you go to your funnel, you go to settings, under body tracking code, you basically paste the Meta Pixel code. Once you check this box, this is done. Then what you need to do is to open this URL. Again, the link is in the video description. You are going to decide what kind of event you want to fire. So in this case, we created an example with complete registration. You're going to copy the standard event code. You need to add the script tags, the open and the close, basically. You can use AI for that like I did. And then you are going to go to any of your steps, not any of your steps, the step basically that you want to track, the step that you want, let's say, this event to fire on. And then once you come here, you're going to click edit. And here you are going to go to tracking code. And once you come here, you're going to paste your standard event code. You are going to hit save, and that's it. So this means that we created now an event that is called complete registration, that is going to track every time that someone lands on this step of the funnel, which means that now we can go to Meta Ads, we can start a campaign, and we can optimize for this specific event. That's it. If you follow everything step by step, it's going to be a piece of cake. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck to your Meta Ads campaigns, and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.